Good morning, everybody. This is Anthony from Heal, Lead, and Teach. And so today is my 7 days post-surgery with this basal thumb surgery video diary that I'm doing. And so for the first week, this is one of the ice packs I'm using right now to do some spot icing. But let's see, it's hard to show this, but that's how it looks. I have a band that has Velcro on it that I can put around, and I have a larger ice pack that goes over the whole thing, which is excellent. It's made by a different company, but it comes with the bands, and it's about, I think it's $24, but it has a thermal back side to it, and it comes with these beautiful bands that you can Velcro it exactly to where you want it. So that's what I like about these bands and the cold packs. You can get two smaller ones for like $14 like this, or you can get the bigger one, which is with the bands, which is like I think $24. Anyway, I'm going to put it on Heal Lead Teach, the site, so you can, if you want it, you can go and look at it. Um, and it'll connect to Amazon. Um, like I said, I'm just influencing these products. Um, and after having to have this surgery, this is really going to help a lot. I mean, because you can see my hand has been very swollen. I don't know if you can see it here. You can see that. And then I'm a little bit less black and blue here today, but I've been like icing and elevating all day yesterday and the day before because it's just been a whole lot more swollen than I ever expected. But anyway, um, so week one, we've made it through. It's not been easy, up and down a lot at night, and dealing with the pain. Um, I am starting to learn what phantom pain is about, and from from having it. So but anyway, I'm grateful to get it done. I've been having this issue for maybe over 10 or 15 years. And so I'm glad to finally get it done. I have no idea, but I heard it's going to be like at least 6 to 8 that I'm on. And so I go next Tuesday, a week from today or a week from yesterday, to get this cast removed, stitches and sutures removed. And then then I get a different cast for a couple weeks. So it sounds like there's about maybe 2 or 3 different casts that I'll be in. Um, but I just wanted to diary this because I think it's really important that people know that this is not just a 1 or 2 week process. It's more like a month and a half just to go through the casting and to get to physical therapy. So nowhere near there yet, but I picked this time because I thought, you know what? It's hot. It's really say hello and just take a minute and to breathe, center, and balance. And that's the other reason why I'm doing this is because I need it just as much as anybody else might need this. So um, thank you for listening. Let's take a deep breath in, exhale out, breathe in, exhale out, breathe in, and exhale out. And just know that today is, for me, it's 7 days post-op. For some people, it's 7 days something else. So we're all going through whatever it is we're going through at these times. And I know that whatever it is that we're going through is okay for where we're at right now. So grateful to be part of everyone's life and to be kind of a message, a messenger of sorts to bring forward information and hopefully education to people that need to know more about it because they've either had this issue, don't know what to do. And as I understand, there's several different types of these surgeries to do. Mine is just one. Um, so there are some that actually have what do you call the prosthetic involved, like if you want to get some kind of a plastic thumb or something, but that's not something I was willing to do because I didn't know if it would work. And a lot of these things are not paid for um, through Medicare if it's not the tried and true. So anyway, thank you for listening, and again, have a great day. And again, this is my first week, so blessings to everyone, and namaste. And I'll ring the bell again. Thanks very much. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share with people. Thanks very much for listening.